Today we're talking about brake pad wear sensors for Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and BMW vehicles. Next!
This video is sponsored by Intermotor, genuine import parts. Visit intermotorparts.com for more information.
On a lot of German vehicles, BMW, Audi, Mercedes-Benz, certain platforms have brake pad wear sensors. These electronic sensors are actually resistors that connect to a module on the computer. Inside the wear sensor itself, you'll typically have two loops of wire. One will be set at 5 millimeters and another one at 2 millimeters. Why? Well, it's two different levels of the brake pad wear that it's measuring. When the one at 5 millimeters is broken, the computer can then make an estimate on the life of the brake pads. Once it reaches 2, then it sets a warning for the customer that their vehicle needs service. With these, they should be replaced every time the brake pads are replaced, even if the sensor is not broken, simply because these take a beating inside the wheel well of the vehicle due to salt, spray, and heat from the brakes. Also, when you're working on one of these vehicles, make sure you reset the brake pad wear sensor and algorithm in the computer. This way, the computer can then estimate the life of the new brake pads. I'm Markel. Thank you very much.